What's up guys? So today I'm outside. I'm about to go do some yard work. I wanted to make a ramp inside here for the ducks so they could get inside their pool. I was sent this mini chainsaw by Smart Saker, so I want to see how it works today. So I'm going to be making a mini ramp for them, and I want to do some cleaning up in the back here. So I'll be cutting down some of these trees and branches in the back and cleaning up. So I'll see how it performs and then see what's the battery life on it. And yeah, like I said, get working and making a little ramp for the ducks and clean out all of this. Now, get them all up to date. But if you enjoy content like this, remember to drop a like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to get into the work. So today we're just doing a backyard cleanup. I got a mini chainsaw sent to me by Smart Saker. So I wanted to see how it, just how it performs, cutting down some of these branches back here. We already started some of the cleanup process, but this is going to be the first tree we cut down. So I got my gloves, my safety glasses, and you just hold it right here as you press the trigger. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty powerful. It's making it way more easier to get some of these branches. Come around here. It's making the yard work way more easier, that's for sure. But I'm not gonna cut down the entire thing, I just wanted to clean it up a bit. So before, this is how I'd be cutting all my wood. This is what I'd be using to slowly, just like this, going through. But now, let's see how the mini chainsaw works. Nice. So I'll be making a little ramp for my ducks so they'll be able to get into their pool. So yeah, thank you Smart Saker, it works perfect. Back to the yard work. me go set up these guys' little ramp and go from there. You guys go. Oh, come here. Birkin and Marley. Okay, back to this. So now they have their mini ramp to go into their little pool. The chickens, they have their runway going up to their house. So let me fill this up and see if these guys hop in there. Don't worry, Birkin and Marley, I'm getting out of here. Alright, let's go fill this up. While they're in the pool, one went in. I went inside for a little bit. It looks like he wants to go in. So they managed to find their way and figured out how to use it. So that's good. Once again, thank you, Smart Sakers. These two ducks are happy with their ramp. The mini chainsaw got it done, built urgently. They've been arguing about where's their water for their pool. So time to go back to the backyard and go do some cleaning up. But if you enjoy this type of content, remember to drop a like. Say hi to the viewers, girls. Like, give us some privacy. Okay. I think they're happy with their new ramp. You guys approve? That's thanks. Good, get out of here now, so I can get my work done. Well, definitely cleaning up pretty good, because I want to eventually keep on expanding, coming this way, so slowly cleaning up back here. But I made a lot of progress today with this mini chainsaw. So that's some of the cleaning up process so far. I managed to cut down a bunch with that little mini chainsaw. Links will be in the description. I even finished up the duck section. Let's take a walk over here. They have their little ramp to get into their pool. So links will be in the description. And once again, thanks to Smart Saker. And if you enjoy the content, remember to drop a like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.